Hi guys, welcome to Santa Cooks. We're back, and today we're making fricassee.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sana Cooks. So we're making you Tunisian traditional fricassee. He used to call them Tunisian sandwiches. It's fried bread stuffed with tuna, hot sauce, potato.
You can fill it with anything you want.
And that's it. That's what I was gonna say. It's a suggestion. The filling is what we eat in the street food back home when you're in the corner store getting fricassee. But you can use any Canadian flavors. I'm thinking bacon for the people that eat porks. You can use any kind of meat actually for the protein part, and you make it your own. And please let us know in the comment section.
Yeah.
If you like this video, give us some thumbs up.
And please put the unicorn emoji for my little sister.
Yeah, unicorn emoji for Sarah. She would be happy to see that. And thumbs up, subscribe, and comment and share. We appreciate your support.
And my brother likes dinosaurs.
Yeah,
my
so
brother.
Dinosaur emoji for him, unicorn emoji for her.
I've never heard of dinosaur emoji.
I think there is. So the ingredients for the Tunisian fricassee, the fried sandwiches, are 1 cup of warm water. This is our 1 cup of warm water. 1 tablespoon of yeast. This is the yeast. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Good job. And then that we will mix those at first together. So can you pour in the sugar memo? Pour the sugar on top of that. Yep, good job, Chef Malik. So we're gonna get the yeast start to work with the sugar and in the warm water. The rest of the ingredients are 4 cups of flour. Where's the flour, Mama? The big container.
Right here.
Good job. 1 egg. Where's my egg? Good job. 1 tablespoon of salt. And then it's optional, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I just find it gives it some softness when it's cooking. And then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Ta-da! And then I mixed my milk and water. It's half a cup of milk and half a cup of water, so a total of an extra cup of liquid. So we have overall 2 cups of liquid, right? Right? Thumbs up. Where are my thumbs ups, guys? Hi guys, so we're gonna teach you how to make the fricassee using the machine. I have already a video with the fricassee doing it by hand. I will include the link up in the corner, and we will always start with our liquid first. So we will have our egg, olive oil, and milk into the bowl. You want to spoon in the flour?
Alright, I'll go for it. Wow, it's like a waterfall.
It's a flour fall.
Yeah. Why do they call flour flour?
I don't know.
Because it's made out of flour.
It's made of wheat.
Ooh, now for the sugar, my favorite.
No, the salt and the bacon. The sugar, baking powder. The sugar was in the mixed yeast. So the way it works, we're gonna just press start, select the program. This is dough program number 8, dough, and press start again, and it's gonna just start knitting. So my dough is ready. I'm gonna get it out and get the little air out of it and show you how the Tunisian fricassee are molded. Hi guys, so for your filling, this is optional and it's just a suggestion, so you guys can use your favorite filling. I'm going with the traditional Tunisian fricassee filling that you will eat in the streets, and it's a tuna, hot sauce, boiled egg, hard-boiled eggs, olives, and potato cut in cubes and boiled in salted water. Hi guys, so I'm gonna just get the air out of it. I have some flour just in case it is too soft and I need to flour the surface to be able to extract it. So this is how my dough is looking now after about 10 minutes of processing and folding. So guys, when I got the dough, I found it a little too moist for the modeling, so I'm adding some flours. I'm gonna tell you exactly how much flours I added. I'm gonna use this one. You can use a fricassee cutter. They're available in Tunis in some stores. They're more of an oval shape, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use the circle and then I'm gonna extend it a little bit. Okay, so the other option how to make them will be is from the dough into the desired shape. Just into a ball and you shape it with your fingers and it's gonna rise, so it's gonna smooth itself and looks good. I'm gonna just let it sit there. Those were cut and extended, and this is the left of the dough, the last part of the dough. All my dough is covered. I'm gonna let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. My tip to confirm that the oil is hot is to have a little bit of dough in it, and once it starts to rise and start to bubble and take colors, that means my oil is ready. You can fry it in a deep fryer or even in an air fryer to make it safe, like healthier. So you can hear my oil bubbling and ticking. I'm gonna try one with you guys. As you can see guys, it started to brown up and to golden up, and it's just the right texture now. I think I made a mistake measuring my liquid, as I said earlier, so just follow the description on the under the video, and on the video I will put the correct ingredient in there. And please leave me some comments, some thumbs up, subscribe and share. I'd appreciate that, and thank you for watching this far. I'm gonna show you how we eat them and how we stuff them after I'm done frying all the fricassees. Okay guys, we'll be back in a minute. So guys, I want to show you what a well-cooked fricassee looks like and what a fast-cooked fricassee or undercooked fricassee will look like. So this one, as you can see, it's all cooked, it's all airy, and it's crunchy on the outside. This is perfect. This one, I took it out very fast, so you can see the outside is not as airy and it's not well cooked inside. You can see that. So just take your time and try your oils, and the first pieces, open them and check on them. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the typical corner store, how you will find it, how you would eat it. I'm gonna show you what I would do to mine. I'm gonna start with the hot sauce. Put as much as you like. I'm not giving this to Charlene, she will kill me. This is gonna be probably Terex. Put some potato, usually they will go with the potato first. Oh, by the way, for the kiddos, you can do mayonnaise if you want, or pesto, or any type of sauce you'd like. I know my kiddos don't like hot. Some eggs. A generous portion of tuna. Some olives. And a drizzle of olive oils if you want to. It's optional. Can you see it, guys? Enjoy, bon appetit. If you have any suggestions or any comment, please leave me a message on the comment section. I'd appreciate that. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button so you will be notified when I'm posting my next video. I'm usually posting every Saturday around 5 p.m. Halifax time, Atlantic time, or 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thank you for watching so far, and see you soon. This is number how this is what number?
It's just number 2 for him. So
Just number 2 so far.
Solid.
This is his. Okay, you wanna eat it and show them how you eat it? Guys, he's shy because his hair is not cut.
hey, it's COVID cooking. It's COVID light.
Okay, I might take Charlene too and into he's hiding from the camera. Ah! It was that good?
It was fabulous.
Thank you, Charlene. Love you.